Hi, I'm Patty Hosmer, and we have been working on Kinetic Energy, and today's lesson is an engineering lesson. The students are going to create a carrying case, and I'm going to cook the eggs and hard boil them because they're only in 6th grade. If they were older, I would probably just not even cook the egg and just see what happens, but because they're younger, they're going to create a carrying case out of recyclable materials, and they're going to babysit the egg for a day. Okay, so that's the idea. Okay, the rubric for this project I have for like if you did for a whole week. We're actually going to do it for one day because we have testing next week. So anyways, they'll have different points. They get an extra credit if they take more than one egg, like twins. They're babysitting twins or triplets. Okay. Newton's laws of motion. We'll go over each one. An object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion at constant velocity unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, also known as the law of inertia. First law. Second law, force equals mass times acceleration. And third law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So they'll learn fast, right? And then I have on here a babysitting certificate, babysitter's name. I certify that I will babysit and create a suitable carrying case to carry the baby egg. I will do my best to make sure the baby egg is returned unharmed. And then putting if it's a boy or a girl and what the egg's name is. I will babysit for 1 week and document our week together. But they're going to do it for one day, like I said. So they're going to create the carrying case out of recyclable materials. I'll have some supplies, but they can bring anything and do it that way. The math, I incorporated some math in here. If you were getting paid for babysitting the egg and you receive $5.25, I should probably make it higher, huh? Per hour, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the hourly pays $10. What would you get paid? Okay, so for them, they'll have to figure out their day that they're doing it. Okay, and then I have a journal for the 7 days. Okay, they keep track of it. Please make sure to include pictures of your carrying case with the baby egg in it. List the materials that you use. I've had some classes that really got into this. Like if somebody left their egg unattended, they would like pretend, you know, say like DCFS was going to be called, all this stuff. Let them be creative. That's fine. It keeps them going. Okay. Babysitting is not what it's cracked up to be. Share your thoughts on this project. Was it harder than you thought? Explain why. Okay, so they get a certificate for trying to make sure that the egg doesn't crack. I've had where kids crack the egg a little bit. Put a Band-Aid on it, okay? It's just the idea that they try and think of things that could make, while it's in motion, while you're carrying it, so that it would keep the egg protected. Okay? If you would like a copy of this, you can email me and I will send you a copy for free.